See if that'll stay. Okay. Hopefully my medallion doesn't sway and hit my mic too much. Or I can put it right here. Maybe that'll work. All right, Halito. Achimachugma. Achugma, amachugma. Omi, omi. All right. So I was already going with these guys, but online people. We got this phrase again, Hush ayin laka chugma. And we kind of just already discussed that it's good that you guys are all here. So for you guys that were here already, the reason why we use ka, because hush ayala, you all are arriving or y'all are here. And so the subject changes when it say it's good. It's good. So it would be different if it said you are good because you're here or something like that. It's good. You're good because it's here. Then we would say something different. But because we're saying it's good, y'all are here. That's why we're using ka. Ka is for different subjects, not 6-7. Hey. All right. So that's just what it means. It's like I told them already that hush ayalaka just kind of means like welcome, but it literally means it's good that you guys are all here. It's good that you guys have arrived, and so or are arriving in this case. But anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with our class. But I have a special guest here today. Hey. So I want him to come up here and introduce himself. Mite. Hatakilapat angkana. Katachiaga. Katachiaga ishimanolachki.
Alito, Saho Chifuyat, Braden Johnson, Durant, Amintile, Afami Tochina Gosh, yeah, Chatanumpa, Ikana Dishtiali Tok, Durant, Durant Atali,
Afami chikatomi.
Afami Pokoli Tugalo Akocha on Tugalosia, Amahua, yeah.
Chatanopa ishikanaha.
Yeah.
Nata ishikanato. Hey.
Cool. Yeah. Ikanali Moma.
Chuma. Chima fami nitaga nata.
November 4th.
November 4th. Okay. Chishkiho chifuya nata.
Sushkiato Nicole Johnson.
Chikiato.
Ankiato Stephen Hamilton.
Chatachiaho.
Chatasia.
Owe, Yabuki. Everyone give him a round of applause. Yeah, when I said Hataki Laput Ankana, I'm saying this guy is my friend. And Chata Nopa Ima Bachili. I teach him Choctaw. So he's been learning Choctaw for about going on 3 years now. So Chata Nopa Ikanaka or Ikana na Afami Tochina Una. And so Ima Bachili Muma Hogogo Kaning ma Ankana ya Tuksahali na Balia Hadago Elitafama Kyogisha. Hey. Electropamakil. And so, all right. Um, so he, you're from Texas, right? And so um, I know he kind of said it in Choctaw, but how did you get started learning Choctaw?
Started taking Zoom class.
Zoom classes, okay, from the nation, okay, and then how did we get to know each other?
Jesus.
Oh yeah, we had a online class that someone so graciously invited us to, and that's how we met. And then after that, he kind of, I guess, inquired for me to teach him a little bit, but I think he was learning a little bit from them already. And so he's been learning a lot, and he probably doesn't give himself enough credit because that's what Choctaws do. We don't give ourselves enough credit, but he can understand a lot with what I say. Now, him speaking it back to me, that's a whole nother situation. And so it's kind of nerve wracking once you start talking to other fluent speakers and stuff. But once you get someone comfortable enough to speak with you, they'll start conversing. And so he's been learning for 3 years, and he's comfortable enough in the language to speak it a little. But sometimes I gotta egg him on a little bit. And so that could be you too. But I'm glad he's blessed here, and so that it shows that are other people trying. There are other people out there who are trying to get it, and so that could be you too. Like, don't worry about it. The journey might be shorter for some people. It might be way longer for others, but if you guys have patience and dedication to it, then you can do it too. Of course, he's learning from me, and I don't know why he's learning from me. I'm still learning myself. So uh, I was just butchering it a while ago. And so, anyways, so today we're gonna kind of go into talking about what we've been doing and stuff. And so, I don't know if you guys still have the days of the week paper. I gave it to you like at the very beginning, and I know you guys probably don't have it. So I'm just going to write it down, but I'll probably make you a copy after this. Um, uh, but I'll just write whatever we're doing on the board. And so today, that's what we're going to learn about. Hey, so when we're talking about what we're doing, okay, a lot of times, what are some of the words that usually come up first? Like, you know, I'm not trying to give it away, but I kind of gave it away already. So usually you start with like, today I'm doing this. Yesterday I did this. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing this. Okay? And so that's kind of what we're going to be learning about. But before that, let's kind of go over some phrases that we know, okay, or should know. Hope you guys remember. So how would you say, I'm going to the store? Ayatatoba is store. And so how do you say, I'm going? That means you. You are going. So I guess we forgot. Hey. So how do you say, I'm going to Walmart? Walmart, yale. Yeah. I have to bring that back out. So oh, that's big. Where's my little thing? I forgot. Toba yale. So just in case we need review, let's go ahead and try to say that. Ayatatoba yale. Okay, one more time. Ayatatoba yale. And what does that mean? I'm going to the store. I am going to the store. And so here, so I know you guys are writing, and if you need to, write, but I want you to listen a lot today. Listen, okay? Okay. Ayatatoba yale. Ayatatoba yale. So I'm going to the store. How do we say I went to the store? You guys remember? Past tense. Huh? Did you guys forget already? All you do. Took, yeah. I heard it a couple of times. There. All you need to do is add took, and it becomes past tense. So now everybody repeat it after me. Ayatatoba, yali took. Ayatatoba, yali took. Okay, one more time. Ayatatoba, yali took. Chugma. Chugma. Okay, so that means I went. I went to the store. Okay? So what about I'm gonna go to the store? I will go to the store. I don't like to use will too much, but say it again. Chugma. Chugma. I'm gonna write it separately because it's different. Ayatatoba ya la chi. Ayatatoba ya la chi. Okay, so now say it after me. Ayatatoba ya la chi. Ayatatoba ya la chi. One more time. Ayatatoba ya la chi. Okay. Now you guys say it all together. Ayatatoba ya la chi. Okay? Chugma, chugma. All right. So now, how do we say I went to the store? Ayatatoba yali took. And make sure you don't say ayali took, because then you're going to be saying Chickasaw. That's how they say to go. And so we need to say yali took. Okay? What about I am going to the store? Ayatatoba yali. Okay? What about I will go to the store? So, ya la chi. Okay? So say it again. Ya la chi. Ya la chi. Ayatatoba ya la chi. So how do we say I will go to the store? Get my English mixed up. Okay, one more time. I will go to the store. Okay. And I think it helps if I do this one more time. So, yale. And then I'm going to change colors here. So, plus, let's do green. Chi. So that's future tense, right? Chi. Chi. That's future tense. So when you add them together, this I will drop. And so this A will take its place. And so that's why we say ya la chi. Ya la chi. So if you just practice this right here, ah chi, ah chi, ah chi, everything you're going to say in the future is going to sound like that. Ay tatoba ya la chi, and I'm exaggerating it just a little bit. Onagma, Oklahoma City, Ilionagmat, Italoachi, Italoachi. You hear that? Anchuka Falamat Unalegmat, Nosilachi, Sa Hochafo Ijistia Hadago Sashkiet Sapitachi. So you always hear that chi, chi. Okay. Anyways, we're getting too much into that already. All right, and one more phrase. So how would we say, I am eating bread? So how do we say to eat something? Not impa, apa, yeah, apa. So how do we say I am eating it? Well, just saying eating it. Apale, apale. Cool, I'm on green still. Okchamale. So apale. And so it's just the it is like it's not actually there, but it is hidden there. So you wouldn't necessarily say, I'm eating whatever it is. So you can say apale, and it just means I'm eating it. So we don't know what it is, right? So that's why we're going to put paluska there. So how do we say I'm eating bread? Jugma, paluska apale. Remember, whatever we're eating, we're going to put in front. Whatever I'm doing will always go to the end of your sentence. So no matter if I'm like Choctaw anumpa, anumpalele, holeso hochifole, uh, nana holesochile, taloa talowale, like all that, I'm doing the action at the end of the sentence. Okay? So here we're going to put paluska or whatever we want to eat. Okay? Okay, now if we're going to say paluska apale, so you guys say it. Paluska apale. Paluska apale. Paluska apale. Paluska. Ish haklo kiyoho. Paluska. Paluska. This is why it's important to listen. Haklo, Achi. Eh. Haklo. So, paluska. Paluska. So, how do we say it again? Paluska apale. Okay, how do we say I'm eating bread? Dang, y'all fell off. How do we say I'm eating bread? Achugma, achugma. One more time. I'm eating bread. Achugma. So you guys need to be confident. So everyone say it with confidence. Paluska apale. Achugma. Yeah. I want to hear you guys. So now, how do we say I ate bread? Achugma, achugma. Aya. Forward. Erase. All right. Paluska apale tok. Palaska apalitok. Okay. So how do we say I am eating bread? Yeah, I'm trying to make sure you guys are listening. Palaska apale. What about palaska? Or what about I ate bread? Achuma. Let me hear y'all say it. Not y'all. See, hakalo. I ate bread. Chuma. So say apalitok. Achuma, achuma, achuma. So remember, pa, not uppa, but apale. Okay. Okay. So now we know how to say I ate bread. How do you say I will eat bread? Don't listen to him. He knows it already. Chukma. Palaska apalachi. Hachipona. La chin. Okay. Palaska apalachi. I will eat bread. So, ayatanaha yalachi ka palaska apalachi. Which I probably said that wrong, but whatever. My brain is getting fried too, so I'm sorry. I won't be making spontaneous phrases today. Okay, so how do we say I will eat bread? Palaska, apalachi. So how do you say I am eating bread? Chuma, palaska, apale. What about I ate bread? Chugma. Okay, now how do we say I went to the store? Chugma, okay. I Tatoba Yali took. What about I went to the store? Oh, is that what we just said? Yeah. See, I was making sure y'all listening, eh? I will go to the store. Huh? So say it again. I Tatoba Yalachi. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna ask you guys individually, but I'm gonna ask you something different. Okay. Ross, how do you say I am eating bread? Chuma. So how would you say I'm going to the store? Espisana. Iale. Uh-huh. Iale. Hachin notes Espisana. Okay. How do you say I went to the store? Chuma. How do you say I will eat bread? Kio. Alaska. Apa. La. Chi. So say it again. Okay, now say Palaska Apalachi. Chin. Yeah. Don't help. Ishapila na. One more time. No li. Palaska apalachi. So say it like me. Palaska apalachi. Palaska apalachi. No, say it like me. Palaska apalachi. Palaska apalachi. Palaska apalachi. No, say it like me. Say it after me. Palaska apalachi. Palaska apalachi. So we're gonna do it word for word. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. We're not gonna move on until you get it. Palaska apa la chi. So I'm saying it to you. So say it like I'm saying it right to you. Palaska apa la chi. Palaska apa la chi. Palaska apa la chi. Achukma, give me a hand. Yeah. He finally did it. Now I'll probably ask you here in a little bit. But like, so before we move on, and I'll get to you guys here in a sec, but I want to get back up here. So you notice how Choctaw is kind of like a rhythm. You want to say it like that rhythm. So what I was helping him do was Palaska apalachi. You know, it's like Palaska apalachi. And so that's kind of how you want to practice it. Palaska apalachi. And I was glad I was hearing other people saying it with him, okay? Because I seen your mouth move and I hear you, but that's what you should be doing. Even though I'm focusing on him, that's what y'all should be doing too. So let's all try it one more time together. So say it after me. Palaska apalachi. Palaska apalachi. Chukma. So now we spent too much time on that. Anyways, so I'm gonna go over here now. So how would you say, since we're on that, how would you say, I ate bread? I ate. Ishpisana. Ishpisana. Well, that's I will. Yeah. So Palaska apalitok. Chukma. So one more time. Palaska apalitok. Chukma. Okay. Now, what about I went to the store? Chukma. Chukma. Okay. How about I'll be going to the store soon. Chukma. Okay. So how nerve-wracking was that? Me going up to you. Raise your hand if you were nervous. Ah, yes. Yeah. So this is what I'm saying. You guys got to be the one to say it. If I'm saying it all the time, then you're not going to say it. So, anyways, so we got way off track, which that's kind of where I wanted it to be, but we still have another 30 minutes, which is good. So we're going to learn a little bit of new stuff. So don't forget what we just learned, okay? So just remember, Ayatoba Yali, I'm going to the store. Ayatoba Yali Tok, I went to the store. Ayatoba Yalachi, I will go to the store. Then Palaska Apale, I am eating bread. Palaska Apali Tok, I ate bread. Palaska Apalachi, I will eat bread. So remember that, because we're going to use it. Okay, so the next three things. Well, first things first. I'm the realist. Hey, no, I'm just kidding. Nobody got that. I'm glad. I'm glad. Okay. Himmak. Himmak. Well, not necessarily. Himmak kind of just means now. Himmak. So anything with himmak kind of refers to now. But like sometimes it could be different. What I mean by that is you could say himmak nittuk. What is nittuk? Day. Nittuk is day. And so when we say himmak nittuk, it means today. Today. But that's what we're going to work on. But you also can say himmak onahinle. Himmak onahinle. And that means, onahinle means morning. So himmak onahinle means what? This morning. Okay? Himmak onahinle. This morning. What about himmak ninak? Night. So ninak means night. So himmak ninak means what? Tonight. Tonight. Himmak obia. Obia means evening. So himmak obia, this evening. Let's see. Himmak tobokole. Tobokole means afternoon. Himmak tobokole, this afternoon. Tobokole. Tobokole. Now, I'm not sharing this with you so you can say good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, because we don't say that. One of the speaker that was teaching me, she would always say, somebody would come up to her and ask her, how do you say good morning? She goes, halito. And she's like, how do you say good afternoon? Halito. And she's like, how about good evening? Halito. She's like, why don't you say good morning, good evening? It's like, because we don't say those things. Those are English. That is Englishified. So we don't say those things. We can say it is a good morning, it is a good afternoon, or it is a good evening. But as a greeting, we do not say these things. So don't come up to me and say, Onahinli ara chugma. Well, if you say it like that, I'll say, Onahinli ara chugma. But if you say Onahinli ara chugma, I'm going to say Halito. Because that's the only thing I know. So, anyways, that's a little rant for. Anyway, so himmak nittak, what does it mean? Today. So himmak nittak means what? Himmak nittak means what? Himmak nittak means what? Today. I hope you guys are okcha, awake. Okay? So himmak nittak means tomorrow, right? Oh, see, I'm just making sure you guys are listening. Okay. Himmak nittak. Himmak nittak. So if it's today, how would you say, today I'm going to the store? You can't say that, yeah. You can say himmat nittuk, but then there's something missing. And then ayatotoba yale. Okay? But we'll get to that here in a sec. But then, so himmat nittuk means today. How do we say tomorrow? Does anybody know? That means yesterday. So, yeah. Onakma, onakma. And just because in English, How do we say that in English? No, we don't say un, we say on. So we don't say on, okay? Un, un, un. And then na, well, actually, knock, ma, unak ma. So everyone say unak ma, unak ma, unak ma, achugma, achugma. So that means tomorrow, 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 chihululi, tomorrow. Hey, so tomorrow, unakma. And then the last one I have is what my mom was saying. Cool. Okay, you're right. Okay, so pilashash, pilashash. What do you think that one means? So we have, yeah, there you go. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. See, almost made me say it tomorrow. So let's say this. Pilashash, pilashash, pilashash. Chugma, chugma. So, hima nitak today, unakma tomorrow, pilashash yesterday. So what did we just learn before this? So I am going, I went, and I will go. So we can pair these with these, okay? And so going back to my previous question, I am going to the store today. Or, which that one's kind of miscued in a way, but anyways, so let's just keep this here, and I'll try to do it my best. So today, let's just say, how did I say I will go to the store? That's I am going. Yalachi. I will go to the store. So for him magnetak, this is the only one that will get something else with it. Okay? All the rest of them, well, you can just say it like that and it'll be fine. But when you say today, you gotta say him magnetak. Him magnetak. And so that just makes today by itself, okay? So himmagnetaga, that's how you should say it. Himmagnetaga. So let's try to say it like that. Himmagnetaga. Yeah, chungma. So it should sound like you need to add something else. So it shouldn't be say himmagnetaga. Shouldn't say it like that. You should say himmagnetaga. Something else should happen, right? And so now we're gonna say Aya, Kolesochila Hikio, Ayetatu Ba. Shibaho. Huh? We're just learning these. Yeah. I was just saying. So Himmat Netaga, and then you got Ayatatoba Yalachi. So when we say these things, what do you think goes first? Should I say Himmat Netaga Ayatatoba Yalachi? Or should I say Ayatatoba Yalachi Himmat Netaga? What sounds better? Yes, yes. So you would say it in the way it's kind of written, right? Himagnitaga ayatatoba ialachi. Okay? That means today I will go to the store. Today I will go to the store. So let's try to say this. So himagnitaga ayatatoba ialachi. Okay? Himagnitaga ayatatoba ialachi. Okay? So let me hear you say it. Yalachi. Okay? Remember, emphasize the achi. All right. Yala. So I noticed one thing that is troubling everybody. Like I said, if you just, I know we're focusing on listening, but for right now, let's focus on reading. Him, ak, ni, or nit, tuck, I, it, ta, tu, ba, I, a, la, chi. So that's the syllable breakdown, okay? If you just say it syllable by syllable, even if you say it slow, okay, then you will say it correctly. I promise you it's not like English where things change, okay? Him, ak, nit, tak, I, it, ta, to, ba, I, a, la, chi. Okay, so now try it again. Yeah. There you go. Now say that first part again. I, it, I, ya. Chugma, chugma, chugma. So remember our eyes make the I. So the only time it makes a different sound is when it's paired with an A right here. So this is I, and then it, and then iya, iya. Okay? All right, now you say it. Yeah. Say it again. Iyalachi. You can't like so she's saying Iyalichi. There are some speakers that do say that, but we're learning la, okay? Because that happens more often. La chi, la chi. But when you're other speakers with other speakers, they might say li chi, and that's fine too. But like I said, just for here, we're gonna learn la chi, okay? So one more time. Chugma, chugma. All right. Mm-hmm. Chugma, chugma, yeah. All right. Chugma, chugma. Chugma, yeah, chugma. All right. Chugma, chugma. And so I'm not And so I break it down for you guys, and so you can see the individual. If you have to do this for yourself, please do it. Please do it, because for some reason, whenever you guys are trying to say it, it's like the words get separated and they're all jumbled up. But like I'm just saying, and I'm not saying this like trying to be mean or nothing. It's just more of like criticism a little bit, or I don't know what the right word is. Trying to be helpful in a way. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just trying to be helpful. But just read it. Just read it. Him ak nit tak a I itta toba iya la chi. Okay? And like I said, I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just trying to be helpful. And it might sound like I'm getting onto you, but what teacher doesn't want to push their students, right? And so I'm trying to push you as much as I can. And I want you guys to get this. And I want it to stick, but I really want you guys to say it right too, okay? So I hope this is not making you feel bad, and I hope I'll still see you next week or whatever, but but I really want you guys to get it. Okay? And so anyways, we got that down, right? So say it after me. Himmak nitak a ayatatoba ya la chi. Himmak nitak a ayatatoba ya la chi. Okay? Now, whole phrase. Say it after me, okay? Himmat nitaga ayatatoba ialachi. Achugma, yeah. Achugma, I heard every single one of you. That's good, that's good. Hachim punna, hachim punna, hachim punna. Good job, good job. All right, now we got that down. Let's move on to the next one. Hey. Okay. How do we say this one? Unakma, okay? Unakma, achugma. So now, how do we say, I will eat bread? Thomas? Achugma, achugma, achugma. You got it. Chimponna, chimponna. Okay? So, palaska. Palaska apalachi. Palaska apalachi. Okay? So, should we leave it like this or should we flip it around? Just leave it? Okay? All right, so we got one person saying just leave it. So, do you guys agree? Raise your hand if you agree. Leave it the same. You're not sure? Okay. Yes, we're going to leave it the same. We're going to leave it exactly the same. So, unakma palaska apalachi. What is that saying now? Tomorrow? Yeah. So, I just kind of translated the same way it's written. Tomorrow I will eat bread. So, unakma palaska apalachi. So, let's say it, say it after me. Unakma palaska apalachi. Unakma palaska apalachi. Okay, I like what you're doing. Everybody close your eyes. Unakma palaska apalachi. Achugma. Okay, so what is tomorrow I will eat bread? Okay. What is today I will go to the store? That's all I go. It's almost like you guys forgot. So himak nitaga, I tatoba yalachi, achungma. Okay. So unakma palaska apalachi. Tomorrow I will eat bread. But I always like to say I'm gonna eat bread. I don't know. That sounds better to me. uh, so let me hear you guys say it individually now. So we'll start back here this time. Oh, actually, we'll start here. Chuma, 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 chuma. Unakma. Yeah. Pa. Chuma. Say it one more time. One more time. U. Apalachi. So say apalachi. Chuma. Now say it after me. Unakma. 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 Palaska. Apalachi. Chuma. Right? Say it one more time. Achugma. All right, yeah. So just get the rhythm down. Unagma palaska apalachi. And so it might sound weird right now because we're breaking it down. Because speakers will probably just say Unagma pala. See, I can't even say it. Unagma palaska apalachi. It's still you can still hear that breakdown just a little bit, right? So if we just break it down, palaska apalachi. Unakma palaska apalachi. And so the more, if you say it slowly, eventually you can start to say it faster. Palaska apalachi. Palaska apalachi. Unakma palaska apalachi. Unakma palaska apalachi. Hima nitaga ay tatoba yalachi. Ihogos unakma palaska apalachi. Okay? Am I blowing you guys' mind right now? Is your head starting to hurt now? Hey, I hope I'm not hurting your feelings. Hey. Okay, so we learned today I'm going to go to the store. And we learned tomorrow I will eat bread. So, how do we say yesterday I went to the store? Chugma. Okay, say it loud for everybody. Chugma. Sana shukat lashpatistia. Hey. Ayatatoba. Boom. So everybody say pilash ash. Okay, it should sound the same. So nothing changes here than this one. They both look identical, right? So it should be pilash ash, pilash ash, pilash ash. So one more time, pilash ash, pilash ash, onagma, chagma. So pilash ash, toba yalituk. Should we leave it like that? Chagma, yeah, we should leave it like that. So say it after me. Pilashash ayatatoba yalituk. Pilashash ayatatoba yalituk. A. Okay? So yesterday I went to the store. Okay? Yesterday I went to the store. So you say it. Chuma. Yeah. Chuma. Chuma. It took you a minute, but you got there. You got there. Chuma. Chimpuna. Chuma. So yeah. So say ayatatoba. Chuma. Chuma. I think you're thinking that song. Ayataho. Don't think about that. That's Ayatatoba store. Okay? Yalituk. So say it again. Achugma. 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 What did you guys buy me? Hey, no, it's good. You all said you went to the store yesterday. Hey. Okay, okay. So I think I might have overwhelmed you guys a little bit, and I do apologize if I did. But at the same time, I just really want you guys to get this. And I know I've been kind of going around doing different things or whatever, talking about this, talking about that. And I know I've been giving you a lot of stuff. And I hope that we can continue to do this because it's tough. It really is tough. But it's tough for a reason. But the thing is if you can continue to just do it on your own and practice these things, like especially if y'all live together or something like that, say these things to each other. You guys know it. And if you have family members, kids, or anything like that, say it to them. And then, of course, we're family stuff, and so we can say it to each other. And then you can say it to your kids, but they'll probably say, "No, that's not right." Hey, but the more you teach them Choctaw, obviously, then the more they're going to learn. And so, how do we say today? Himmak nitak, okay? So if I'm saying today I will go to the store, how do we say that? Yalachi, okay? So remember, nitak is the only one that gets ah. Ah. Yeah. Well, not it's ah. Himmat nitaka aitatoba yalachi. What about tomorrow? I'm going to eat bread. I will eat bread. Unakma palaska apalachi. So apa, say, okay, we just learned this. Yesterday, I went to the store. Close. You said Onakma. That's tomorrow. Yesterday. Yeah. Achungma, achungma. Pilashash ayatatoba yali tuk. And so if it helps, just say Himmat nitaga pilashash wonakma. Himagnitaga Pilashash wonakma. And so help you remember wonakma. It's like on yonder way. Hey. And then Himagnitaga. Himagnitaga Pilashash. Pilashash. So the more you say these, the more it's going to be easier. And so a lot of times we do say this, right? We say this like, today I'm going to go eat me a big steak or something like that. Or yesterday I went bowling with my friends and stuff. And I was like, cool, why didn't you take me? Hey. And then tomorrow I got to go back to work. Wonakma tuksalit yalachi or falama tuksalit yalachi. Oof. Yes, All right. So, you guys learn something today? Are you going to use it after we leave? Try to. So, if you can't remember everything, just try one. Just say himak nittaga. Even if you just say himak nittaga, I'm going to the gym. That's fine too. As long as you take out today and use himak nittaga, that's fine. Just get started. Use some of these words in your everyday vocabulary. Stop using English. Hey, I'm just kidding. At least with yourself or your family or whoever you're talking Choctaw to. But try to incorporate these into your everyday vocabulary. I will tell you today, I'm learning Spanish, and this is the first day I went to the Mexican restaurant this morning. They have awesome breakfast burritos. It's called El Rey in Ada. But today, I tried to speak Spanish to her, the lady at the drive-through window. And what happened? I practiced my things. I was gonna say, me da el número dos con salchicha y tocino, por favor. What did I say? I said numero uno. I was like, oh no. And then I was like, no, numero dos. And then she's like, okay, how would you like your eggs? I was like, no, 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 I don't want the number one. I just want. So I messed it up. I messed up my order. But she figured out that I just wanted the number two, which is a breakfast burrito with sausage and bacon. Whew, champoli. But also, when I went up to the window, I told her, uh, I said, lo siento, estoy aprendiendo español. And she understood that I was practicing my Spanish. And so she was like, oh, it's okay. It's okay. She said, me English is no bueno. And I was like, okay. And so, yeah, mi español es no bueno. Estoy nervioso. And so I was saying, I'm practicing my Spanish. Um, I'm nervous. Like, my Spanish isn't good. But the thing is, even though I messed up, I still tried. And I messed up. And I messed up bad. But the thing is, I'm going to do it again tomorrow. I'll tell you what, because that burrito's too good to pass up. And so, but one of these days, I'm going to order it like a pro. But that's how your Choctaw needs to be too. Don't be afraid to mess up, because mess ups help you gain more confidence, because either it's going to defeat you or it's going to make you want to do it even more. So if you mess up, you're going to say, man, I'm never going to do that ever again. But I don't want you to do that. I want you to say, man, I messed up, but I'm going to do it again tomorrow. Because literally that's what I'm going to do. I was so nervous when I was driving into the drive-through. My heart was going like this. I was like, why am I so nervous? It's just speaking. It's just speaking a different language. But it's nerve-wracking, and so I understand. But anyways, I'm rambling now. We need to end it, and so I'm just going to say, Hachiyo kukile, hashla duga achugma, hachipi silika sana yukba fina, chahta nopa hashanopa honig, hashanopa honigmat, chahta nopa Ishikanachi Huki. So thank you guys so much. I'm glad you guys were here. I'm happy to see you all. And if you guys, when you guys keep on speaking, you're going to learn more. And so please continue to learn. So, makalla. I guess one last thing is that next week I probably won't be having class. I'll be in Texas. Probably be coming back from Texas, so I'll probably be tired. So I probably won't be here next week. So 2 weeks from now, okay? Umi, 2 weeks, ma. Hachapin salachagi. Week dos, a. Or see, I'm doing it backwards because Spanish actually does it the way that English is. I don't know how to say week in Spanish. Umi, hachapin salachagi. Oh, did my thing cut off? I hope not. Umi, hachi ako gili. 2 weeks, ma. Hachapin